Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the Venbytech percussion massager. This thing is amazing. It's very effective at helping sore muscles. You're going to get 4 massage heads with this included in the kit. This one's my favorite, but everybody has their own. And you also get the fork. This one can do some good acupressure type massages. And then you have the flat head here. This comes with the carrying case, so you have a place to put all this so you can travel with it, also keep it in a nice safe place. You don't have to be really careful with this thing because you can actually drop it 6.6 feet without any damage to it, which is really good. I'm particularly clumsy, so it's nice to know. Anyway, it comes with the power cord. This plugs directly into the jack on the back of the massager and plugs into the wall. Simple as that. On one charge you get, like, I think it's 3 hours of operation. The power button is here. You're going to press this the desired number of times to reach whatever level or speed, I should say, of massage that you prefer. The first time you press it is going to just turn it on and put it on the lowest setting. And then each time that you press it, incrementally gets faster. And then ultimately, when you reach the maximum, then the next level is turning the massager off. And it's as simple as that. Enjoy.